Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy DNT crypto coin on Binance. What you need to do, first just go to Binance and then go to trade. After that, classic. Just wait for a few seconds. And then here on the search bar, just type DNT and you have here DNT with BTC, USDT, BUSD. I will select USDT and then just scroll down. And then here you type the amount you want on DNT. For example, I want to buy $100 DNT, and that the total price in USDT it's here. After that, just click buy DNT. This is what you need to do if you want to buy DNT crypto coin on Binance. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.